Galing yung sauce nila, no? We're already full. We had to make a quick munchy stop. Moving all the way up. It was so cold, it made us hungry, duh.
I did cardio last night.
Real quick. That was such a tiring hike. Ah, God, I love hikes like those. Whew.
Hello. What's that? What is that? Peace. Peace. High five. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Ngon guys.
Hi! So,
Officially, our first meal of the day, aside from the fresh dumplings that you
dumplings
saw
earlier. And where are you right now?
We are at one of the famous spots here in Chiang Mai, which is
The Mae Kha Canal here in Wongchang district. Still here in Chiang Mai. I've been wanting to go here since afternoon, but then I thought it will be much better
At
to go
night?
here at night because of all the lights and it's so pretty here at night. So made the
pretty
right
at night.
decision actually.
Yeah, I think this is a lot better at night. Plus the food here are very affordable. So I
Affordable.
had this pork leg rice and a khao soy, which is around 30 baht and 40 baht only. So imagine for a khao soy it's 40 and this pork leg rice is 40 plus 10 baht for the egg that we got. Actually, it's very chill in here. I can just really walk around, just little or a few shops actually. We were expecting for more shops, but there are very few.
Yeah.
And we actually found this spot that sells rice because most of them are like snacks, coffee,
Snacks, beers.
yeah,
Yeah.
a small pub.
Taste it.
So of course, as always, the pork leg rice is delicious as expected, and the khao soy with some I think that's meatballs, chicken balls. Of course, the serving is so generous.
And I like this khao soy. Or the flavor is really good and it's already spicy as it is, but just the right amount. So I'm not gonna add any more chili or spices to it. I'm enjoying it as it is, just the right amount of that kick and spiciness that I'm looking for in my noodle soup. So
Plus, let's not forget the fact that these juice that Ashley got earlier
I got
is
the long
so
line juice again.
good. Look at that.
That's just for 40 baht.
And for 40 baht,
You get
That's
that
good
size
juice.
of the longan juice.
oh, it's so specialized. Oh, she literally made it from scratch and she gave so much longan, so generous.
So good. I'm really enjoying this khao soy. It's spicy, but the way I like it. So really good.
Oh yeah, that's spicy. Very good.
This longan juice is really good. I think I'm gonna be able to eat it every day.
Spicy.
Yeah,
But this
spicy,
is
but it's okay.
good. Thank you.
They were asking
It's
if
so
it's good.
spicy. We said yes.
They're asking if it's too spicy, but yeah, just the right amount. So
No rice.
thank you.
Habang so good. We got one bowl of these pork rice, but this time without rice because we
Pork
still
leg
had a lot.
soup. So it's now just pork leg soup.
We got another order.
Look how tender that is. Oh my god.
The broth is just so good. The meat is so tender. It's very perfect. So I told Ash, no, let's get one more, but without rice this time.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh,
Thank you.
and let's do another round of eating because we're just really hungry. Plus, you find good food stalls like this. Can't
It's
miss
just
it.
hard to.
To pass on it. The
Yeah.
opportunity to eat and eat.
Exactly.
And eat. We continue eating. Hopefully, not get another one this time.
But that's not gonna be the case. So
Yeah,
yeah.
for sure, we're gonna get something again later.
Again. Ciao.
Thank you again.
Great
Such a great
meal.
meal, such nice couple.
So all that we ate tonight in that very humble restaurant, small restaurant
yeah.
here, only costs us 140 baht.
What did we find again, Ashley?
So we're walking, and
What
look
did
what I
Ashley find
found.
again?
A dessert shop who sells mochi, milk tea, ice cream, some sweet
Lots of sweet mochi, milk tea,
milk tea,
and
and
fish
what's
cake.
this? Fish cake. And then a coin cake as well. So, what a better way to cleanse
And
our
we love
palate.
mochis with sugar. Looks
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar mochi.
Mochi.
Mm.
So, I've got the
That one's a mix,
milk
right?
and chocolate mix.
How much is that?
For 45 baht.
45 baht.
And then the mochi is for 50 baht.
50 baht. And these are like special. So we're so excited to taste this sugar mochi because we love mochis.
What's your favorite actually?
Yeah, super favorite.
Ooh, this is so good. Is it chewy or is it just right?
You can tell it's freshly made. So soft. Plus the sugar is just enough. Plus it's cold, so there's a twist that it's cold. Yeah, taste it.
Yeah, but it's not.
Oh, right? Really good, actually.
It's so good. It's so soft. It's so good. So we'll be finishing this ice cream and this mochi because for sure, just a few steps away from here, we're gonna find something else to try.
I'm pretty sure we will.
Cheers, and we'll
Cheers.
see ya.
See you in a bit. Got secured. Let's go. We got the goodies secured. We have to go home now, or else we'll be buying more.
Yeah.
Let's go.